Hello and welcome to our Farmacy Herbal YouTube video on the Moringa Miracle, exploring every detail of this powerhouse plant. Today, we will delve into the incredible benefits and uses of the Moringa plant, also known as the miracle tree. Moringa is a nutrient-dense plant that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties and health benefits. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which Moringa can improve your overall health and well-being. We will discuss the nutritional content of Moringa, including its high levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and calcium. We will also explore the potential health benefits of Moringa, such as its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, we will take a look at the different ways in which you can incorporate Moringa into your daily routine, whether it be through supplements, teas, or adding Moringa leaves to your meals. Join us as we uncover the many wonders of the Moringa plant and discover why it truly is a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. Thank you for watching.